Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the issue Microsoft Edge not responding, and we said I'll do it in just a few minutes. This problem usually happens when Edge freezes, crashes, or stops responding due to corrupted browser data, problematic extensions, outdated versions, or system resource conflicts. Luckily, there are quick and simple ways to get it running smoothly again. Let's get started. Step 1. Repair Microsoft Edge via Settings. Click the search icon in the taskbar and type Settings, then open the Settings app. In the Settings window, select Apps from the left-hand panel. Then click on Installed Apps. In the search field, type Edge and you'll see Microsoft Edge appear. Click the three-dot icon next to it and select Modify. Click Yes when prompted. Click on Repair. This will reinstall Microsoft Edge without affecting your browser data or settings. Wait for the process to complete. Step 2. Scan and repair system files using SFC tool. Open search, type CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes when prompted. In the command window, type the following and press Enter. This command will scan and repair corrupted system files. Once complete, restart your computer. Once you've completed these steps, Microsoft Edge should be responding and functioning normally. Thank you for watching this brief tutorial. If it helped, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a wonderful day and see you in the next tutorial.